are honored to recommend our vertical packaging machine to make your product packaging more efficient and convenient. Our machine uses advanced technology and can be applied to various industries and products, helping you improve production efficiency, reduce costs, and achieve a more beautiful packaging effect. Our vertical packaging machine uses advanced control systems and automation technology, making operations simple and fast while reducing quality problems caused by human factors. It also has characteristics such as high speed, stability, and adaptability, which can meet various complex packaging needs. In addition, our vertical packaging machine has the advantages of energy conservation, environmental protection, and small footprint, which can not only save your energy costs but also improve your environmental protection index. If you are looking for an efficient, stable, and high-quality vertical packaging machine, our product will be your best choice. Let's work together to create a better tomorrow.